scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Particle motion problems are actually super fast to solve if you know the trick. Let's find the exact position when this particle changes its direction. First, we need the velocity function, so take the derivative of the position equation. That gives us t squared minus 4t plus 3. This represents the speed at any time. Next, set that velocity to 0 and factor the quadratic to find the turning points. We get t equals 1 and t equals 3. The particle moves up after time 3. Finally, plug t equals 3 into the original position function. After simplifying the fractions, we get exactly 4. Option B is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check your steps carefully.